Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making something quick and easy. Okay, so first we're going to start off with a 2.5 pound of fresh salmon. Of course you want to wash it off and everything. Right now I'm just putting on like a jerk seasoning sauce and just sprinkling it on there, and then I'm just going to rub it in. Also, for accurate measurements on this recipe, you can find that below in the description bar. Keep in mind that the more of this sauce that you put on your salmon, it will be more spicier. If you're somebody that doesn't like spicy food, I would suggest don't put a lot of this, or you can just skip this step completely. Okay, now I'm going to be putting a generous amount of complete seasoning on the salmon. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding Old Bay seasoning to the salmon. However, I'm not going to put as much Old Bay seasoning in it because Old Bay seasoning tends to be kind of salty. If you want like correct measurements of how much of each seasoning I put in the salmon, just check the description box below. So now you just want to take a stick of butter and warm it up in the microwave and put it inside of a bowl, because we're going to make like a little lemon butter mixture. All right, so now I'm taking 2 tablespoons of my minced garlic and adding it in with my melted butter. Now I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of lemon juice into the butter mixture also. Then we're going to mix everything together and just pour it over the salmon. Now I'm just going to add a generous amount of basil leaves to the salmon. And oregano leaves as well. And then lastly, some more complete seasoning. Okay, so now the last step is just to take some honey and drizzle it over the top. Now you just want to wrap the salmon up in foil and make sure it's closed very tightly so none of the juice could come out. Then just pop it in the oven for 45 minutes on 350 heat. Guys, so once it's done cooking for 45 minutes and you take it out the oven, this is the finished product. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any more suggestions for recipes you would like me to make, comment below under the video. I'm Kiana Gray, and that's how you make baked lemon pepper salmon with a honey glaze.